Before buying a mobility scooter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Sugogo Lightweight Scooter Blue. First up is the Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter, which is perfect for those looking for portability. Priced at $599.99, this scooter caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive specs. If you want a reliable way to get around without feeling weighed down, this is worth a serious look. This means you can easily take this on flights, no more worrying about checking it in as luggage. It also has a compact foldable design, measuring just 38 x 20 x 13.5 when packed away. So carrying it in the trunk is a breeze. The powerful 270W motor can handle slopes up to 15 degrees, so you won't be stuck on any hills. Plus, it can travel up to 12.4 miles on a full charge at speeds of 0.62 mph, giving you plenty of range for daily errands. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky if you're not handy, but here's the thing. Once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing. This scooter offers an excellent balance of weight and performance for its price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight scooter that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for rough terrains, but for everyday use, it's a solid choice. Now, if the lightweight feature of the Sugogo scooter feels limiting, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 2, Sugogo Lightweight Scooter Pink. Next up, we have another Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter, but this one comes in a vibrant pink. Also priced at $599.99, it shares nearly all the features of its blue counterpart, offering a stylish option without compromising performance. If you want a scoot that stands out while still being practical, this is worth a serious look. Its portability makes it easy to lift into cars or board a plane, which is a huge plus for those on the go. It offers the same impressive 12.4-mile range and speed capabilities, so you won't be missing out on those essential functions. However, some users have noted that the seat might not be wide enough for larger individuals. Here's the thing, though, if you're average-sized, you're likely to find it comfortable and supportive, especially with that reinforced construction. This is perfect for you if you enjoy vibrant colors and want a scooter that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you need extra space in the seat for comfort, but it definitely offers great value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something a bit more robust. Product number 3, LAGTOM Heavy Duty Scooter. Now let's talk about the LAGTOM Heavy Duty Mobility Scooter, which is a beast at $1,890. It's designed for serious support with a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. If you're looking for power and durability, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a 1000W motor, this scooter can go up to 15 mph, which is quite impressive. The large 16-inch tires and rear shock absorbers make navigating rough terrains easy, which is perfect for those who love outdoor adventures. Plus, it comes with a deluxe reclining captain's seat that's not just comfortable but also has a safety belt for added security. However, the price point is a drawback for some, and if you're not going to utilize its full capabilities, it might not be worth the investment. Yet, if you require a heavy-duty scooter for outdoor use, the capability and comfort it provides can easily justify that cost. This is perfect for you if you need a scooter that can handle bumps and rough paths with ease. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or primarily for indoor use. But for outdoor enthusiasts, this is a fantastic option. Now, if you want something that's more compact, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Vive 4-Wheel Scooter. Next, we have the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter, priced at $584.99. This one's a great balance of comfort and portability. If you're after something that's easy to use and transport, this is definitely worth a serious look. This scooter can handle up to 265 pounds and has a top speed of 3.7 mph, which is suitable for everyday errands. The padded seat and adjustable armrests add a layer of comfort that you'll appreciate during longer rides. A few users did mention that while it's great for smooth surfaces, it can struggle a bit on rough terrain. But honestly, if you're mostly using it for indoor or smooth outdoor surfaces, you'll find it performs admirably. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that's easy to store and transport. Skip this one if you plan to tackle very uneven surfaces frequently, but it's a solid choice for everyday use. Now, if you want a scooter with a longer range, the next one should pique your interest. Product number 5, WAYCARE Long Range Scooter. Finally, we have the WAYCARE Long Range Mobility Scooter, priced at just $349.99. This is an excellent budget option without compromising on quality. If you want something reliable that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The intuitive control panel is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to operate. Plus, the reinforced seat adds a comfort level that's often overlooked in budget models. However, some users found that the folding mechanism could be a bit cumbersome at first. Here's the thing though, it may take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes much easier. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option for casual use. Skip this one if you require higher speed or heavy-duty features. But it's a fantastic starter scooter for those looking to maintain mobility without spending a fortune. So there you have it, the top 5 mobility scooters for seniors. The Sugogo lightweight options are great for portability, the LAGTOM is perfect for heavy-duty use, the Vive offers comfort and ease of transport, and the WAYCARE gives you a budget-friendly choice with long range. Each option has its strengths, so consider what matters most for your lifestyle.